Hi, I'm Marty Grunder from Grunder Landscaping Company, and today I'm in Brillion, Wisconsin at the Gravely plant with Bill Engler, the Gravely brand director. And Bill, there's been some exciting changes and additions to the Gravely Pro Turn series. We're real excited. I'm a mower geek. I want to hear about them. Tell us all about it.
Well, welcome to Wisconsin. We're glad to have you here.
Thank you.
Yeah, we've designed this machine for 2016 with smarter components, smoother ride for the operator, as well as intuitive controls. It really all starts with the base of the unit, which is the frame. It's a 3-inch high singular tubular frame.
Heavy, strong steel.
Heavy, strong. 3/16 thickness in there. So
it's not going to bend if you hit a tree.
In fact, you have peace of mind with our frame because it carries a lifetime warranty with it as well.
Fantastic.
So that's great. We added a grease point up front. Easy access, easy to maintain.
And when it's easy access, it's probably going to get done, because we know when we have our crews, like at my company, they forget to do that stuff. If it's out there where it's easy right in front of them, they're going to get to it.
Absolutely. So as you go towards the back of the machine, back in the back here, we have a subframe in here. And that subframe, the engine sits on. And with that, we have 8 vibration isolators that work back there that keeps the vibration back here.
So your rider's comfortable.
Absolutely.
Yes.
It keeps it away from the operator.
Right.
In fact, it's 45% less vibration than our competitors here, and we keep it in the back of the machine.
And you know, as a contractor, any angle that we can get that makes us better than the competition, because it's hard finding employees in this job environment, to say we have awesome mowers that are comfortable,
right.
That's an angle. You know, for our company to grow, we got to be profitable. So that makes durability a very, very important part of this. Talk to me about the durability of the Pro Turn series.
This is a 7-gauge steel deck that we have on here.
Heavy gauge steel.
Heavy gauge steel. And we
Yep.
have a 1/2-inch front wear bar on the front of this, so when you do have impact, it's not going to affect the integrity of the deck. This X Factor 2 deck carries a lifetime warranty, so you have peace of mind. One of the other things that we've done to this deck too is added a constant belt tension feature on here. So as your belt stretches, you don't have to go in there and adjust the tension of that belt to get the quality of cut that you need.
Much more efficient.
Much more efficient, again, cutting down on maintenance, cutting down on downtime. And that's what the X Factor 2 deck is all about.
Now what about the chute? There's something different for that this year.
Yeah, I'm glad you brought that up. So this is a rubber form chute. So if you need to get up and down your trailer and not damage your chute, you can simply lift up the chute, slide into position, and it holds position. If you want to put it back down, you simply lift the chute back up and slide it back down, and it's in the cutting position. The other unique thing about this is we've designed it to get a nice disbursement of grass.
And that's huge, because you know, in the spring when you have wet, clumpy grass and it's not being dispersed well out the chute, it means we've got to go to the truck, we've got to get the backpack blowers, we have to deal with all that, and nobody has fun doing that. And I want to take care of my people. Along those lines of taking care of your people, the seat on the mower. This thing is awesome. Let's talk about the seat in terms of rider comfort.
Marty, this seat's incredible. Get in, take a seat.
Happy to.
You're going to be astounded by this seat. Wow. What do you think?
It's very, very comfortable.
It's comfortable.
It is.
What's great about that seat too is there's a lot of adjustments you can make for your operators, which is really cool. There's a lumbar over on the side.
It's very comfortable right back in here.
Yeah, in fact, right there is a built-in.
On the back too.
Yep, there's a built-in lumbar. There's a built-in spinal column in the back. This is a 3-inch higher seat than anything in the market today. There's also a pillow top on here, so the comfort is really
comfortable. It's actually more comfortable than my desk chair.
What I like too is there's a lumbar lever on the side here, so you can improve that lumbar if you want. On the other side, there's a crank so you can lean the seat back if you want as well.
Yep.
But the really coolest feature on here is the air ride. There's a 12-volt compressor in this seat. So if we turn the battery on and you reach between your legs here, you can put air in that seat to get the most comfort ride. So imagine being on this lawnmower all day long, all that fatigue from being the vibration is isolated. Now you have this wonderful seat to sit in, and the comfort is smooth.
I mean, you almost might want to advertise this in your Help Wanted ads. I mean, this thing is extremely comfortable. It's amazing.
So Marty, what's nice about the control panel is you have your PTO automatic clutch, right? Easy access to your hand. You have your key ignition switch right next to it. Of course, you can visualize and see the fuel tank. And then you have your throttles to go faster or slower on here as well. And then you have your warning lights, back to your hour meter. The other nice thing that we added on this here, they look tough, are these tanks. I think these are really cool tanks.
They do look nice.
They look tough, they look chiseled, but they weren't only designed for that, they were designed with a purpose. That purpose of these tanks is so you can see that cutting edge of your deck. So that cutting edge is really easy to see.
Great visibility.
As your operators are going around mulch beds or going around trees, the nice thing is they can see that edge of that tire, so they're not dragging that tire and messing up the
Tearing
bed.
up mulch beds.
On the other side, the height of cut system is really cool. Let me show you that. So this height of cut system is new this year. We added an oversized dial on here. So it's a dial height of cut adjustment. The deck lifts easily up and down because we know all day long they're on this machine. They're floating that deck up and down over tree roots, over sprinkler heads. So that's easy to control that deck right from that position.
And I don't think you have to be a big guy to push on it the way you have it designed.
You don't. Another nice feature is you have additional adjustment settings. You can move that foot peg front or forward as well as your seat front or forward. And with the handles, we also included anti-vibration points here so to control the vibration in your hands.
So the machine is incredibly comfortable to operate. It's user-friendly. It's a whole bunch of awesome features. It's easy to work on. The maintenance is easy. So Bill, what else is up on the engineering?
Well, walk around the back and let me show you. This is our new rollover protection system. So real easy, we have new pins on here. Simply pull that pin back, and this actually sets in 3 different positions. So in the 3 positions, you can set it in the center position if you have a bagger on the back, or you can tuck it away into a storage position. And the real nice thing about this is we have dampeners to hold it in place so it doesn't rattle when it's either down, or we have dampeners when it's up. So you get no rattling effect when you're driving the machine. The other nice thing, as long as we're back here, let me show you how to get underneath the seat here.
Oh, look at that.
So notice how simple it is. These transmissions are the ZT5400 transmissions. There's 89% less leak points and 30% less parts.
Fantastic.
Less things to go wrong, which means
less downtime.
Less downtime, exactly. So back here, we have a new bumper in the back here.
This looks great.
Yeah, look at this. I mean, this is solid steel back here. So the impact that this can take, you're not going to damage the important components of your engine, because the last thing you want to do is put maintenance into the engine, because that's money, right?
Right.
We have the large size rear tires on here. These are actually radial tires. More comfort, smoother ride. It actually reduces turf tear.
Yes.
So those are really nice radial tires. They last longer. These front tires are some of the largest in the industry. So these are 15-inch high front tires on here. They're semi-pneumatic. So with semi-pneumatic, they're run flats. And run flats mean what?
No more downtime.
No more downtime.
Right.
And a nice feature we have on here is a grease point for the bearings. So within that tire, you have that grease point so you can squeeze out any of the water or sand that's in here so you maintain the life of those bearings.
Now, what about the warranty on this machine?
Great question. The warranty on this machine is a 3-year warranty from front to back on the life of the machine, as well as you got a limited lifetime on the frame, as well as a limited lifetime on the deck. So with that, in addition, we have our 3 spindles underneath here, which you're going to receive a 3-year warranty on those spindles.
Fantastic. Okay, so what's the difference between the 200 series and the 400 series?
Great question. Let's go over and take a look, Marty. So the ProTurn 200 brings what you expect from Gravely. Great reliability, fantastic durability, and ease of maintenance, of course, is always important to us. In addition to that, some of the differences between the ProTurn 400 and the 200 is you have a high back, full suspension seat. You have a solid foot plate where your feet rest. A height of cut adjustment system, we call it the pin system. So real simple and basic to use. Finally, it's a 2-year warranty on this machine from front to back.
So 2-year warranty, 3-year warranty, differences between the machines, but super high quality products, very well made, creature comforts, low downtime for owners, and overall I see a complete home run with these pieces of equipment.
Well, that's what it's all about. We've really tried to focus and spend time with the contractors to understand what their needs are, understand from an owner's perspective what's important to you as well, and that's what we try to deliver on this machine.
Well, congratulations on the new mowers. I'm excited to get on mine. I'm excited to have our crew on them. Thanks for having us here in Brilliant, Wisconsin today.
Good to have you here. Let's go right in order.
That sounds good.